Howdy there folks, it's Amelia from Sleepopolis, and today I'm going to be doing a mega Purple mattress comparison. Purple is best known for their Purple Grid, which is made from hyper-elastic polymer, and it's used in all their mattresses. And by now they offer quite a few different mattresses, so I'm going to go through a few of them in this video. In this video, I'll be taking a look at the original Purple mattress, the Purple NewDay mattress, the Purple Rejuvenate Plus, and the Purple Restore Plus mattress. I'll go over the results from testing them here in our studio and make some recommendations for who might like each one. Before we get started, I do want to let you know that Purple sent us these mattresses for free to review and to tell you about. If you buy any of these mattresses using our links in the description, we may earn a commission at no additional cost to you. All right, let's get into it. So let's start off with a quick overview of Purple as a brand. Now, Purple, as I mentioned before, is best known for their Purple Gel Flex Grid, which is incorporated into all of their mattresses. And now they have 3 lines of mattresses, which are Essential, Premium, and Luxe. The Essential line includes the original Purple mattress, the Purple NewDay, and also the Purple Plus. The Premium includes the Purple Restore, the Purple Restore Plus, and the Purple Restore Premier. And the Luxe line includes the Purple Rejuvenate, Rejuvenate Plus, and Rejuvenate Premier. So in this video, I'll be touching on at least one mattress from each collection. Additionally, Purple offers a 10-year warranty, 100-night trial, and free shipping on all their beds. The Essential and Premium collections ship rolled up in a bag, while the Luxe collection ships flat pack, meaning it's full size and never vacuum sealed. And the Premium and Luxe collections come with free in-home setup. Okay, let's take a look at each mattress individually. I'll start off with the original Purple. The Purple is made with a 2-inch Gel Flex Grid and polyurethane foam. It has a firmer than average feel. We rated it as a 7 out of 10 on the firmness scale. This bed keeps you feeling lifted up on top of the surface rather than sinking in. This feel made us think the Purple was a great match for back sleepers. It could work for some stomach and side sleepers, but we didn't think it was a great pick for either of these groups. At 9¼ inches tall, the Purple isn't a super thick mattress. It provides a good amount of support and has pretty good edge support, and it also isolates motion well and sleeps cool thanks to the grid layer, so it could be a good pick for couples. Now let's talk about the Purple NewDay mattress. The NewDay is also in the Essential collection. It's made with the Gel Flex Grid and support base foam. At 8 inches tall, it's a little thinner than the Purple original. We thought it had a pretty firm feel, also rating it as a 7 out of 10 on the firmness scale. It has a similar on top of the bed feel as the original Purple, but doesn't feel quite as supportive. Much like the original Purple, we think it works best for most back sleepers as it feels too firm for most side sleepers and too soft for most stomach sleepers. The NewDay did not show very impressive edge support or motion isolation, so it may not be as good of a choice for couples, but it does still have a cool feel thanks to the use of the Purple Grid. Next up is the Purple Restore Plus, which is from the Premium collection. This mattress is 13 inches tall and comes in 2 firmness options, soft or firm. It features a 3-inch layer of the Gel Flex Grid, plush foam, and individually wrapped coils that are zoned for different areas of support. We tested the soft version of the Restore Plus and thought soft was definitely accurate. We rated it as a 5.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale, meaning it is quite soft. You will likely feel hugged by the mattress rather than on top of it. It also allows for some deeper sinkage. Our senior editor, Bridget, even described this bed as feeling like a waterbed or a gridded supportive jello. We think the Restore Plus works well for back and side sleepers thanks to its soft but supportive feel. It also tested well for motion isolation and cooling and has decent edge support, so it could be good for couples. And finally, the Purple Rejuvenate Plus, which is part of the Luxe collection. The Rejuvenate Plus is a whopping 16.5 inches tall. Like the Restore, it is a hybrid made with foam layers, coils, and the Gel Flex Grid. It also has a quilted cover for immediate comfort up front. We felt the Rejuvenate Plus was a true medium firm mattress and rated it as a 6.5 out of 10 on the firmness scale. It has a thick and plush upper layer that keeps you supported and lifted up on the surface, but still feeling quite cushioned. Because of this feel, it can work for back, some side, and even some stomach sleepers. The bed also tested well for motion isolation, cooling, and edge support, making it an excellent choice for couples. Alright, now let's quickly go over how much each of these mattresses cost. So the cheapest of these 4 options is the Purple NewDay, which retails around $1,300 for a queen size at full retail price. Next is the Purple Original, which retails around $1,400, and then the Purple Restore Plus is around $2,900 for a queen size. The Purple Rejuvenate Plus is the most expensive of these 4 at $6,500 for a queen size at full retail price. But keep in mind you can save on all these beds by using our coupons in the description. All right, now that we've gone over each bed individually, let's go over my recommendations for who might like each one. I think back sleepers can pick between any of these beds. They're all good options for these folks. The Purple and NewDay definitely have a firmer feel, while the Restore and Rejuvenate feel a little softer, so it depends what you want. I think the best option on this list for side sleepers is the Restore Plus, as it offers adequate cushioning for the shoulder and hip. Side sleepers could do okay on the other beds if they tend to sleep in another position as well, but the other three aren't amazing side sleeper beds. In general, these Purple beds aren't great for stomach sleepers. Lightweight folks who weigh 130 pounds or less could do okay on all the beds but the Restore Plus. Some average weight stomach sleepers may also feel comfortable on the Rejuvenate Plus. Either the Restore Plus or the Rejuvenate Plus could be great options for heavy sleepers who weigh 250 pounds or more, as these beds are ultra supportive. The best option for couples is definitely the Rejuvenate Plus, as it is very supportive and scored well in all the tests relevant to couples. But most of these beds could work well for couples, with the exception of the NewDay. All of these mattresses are great picks for hot sleepers, although the hybrids should sleep a little cooler than the Purple and the NewDay. Finally, let's talk about budget shoppers. Now, the NewDay is definitely the least expensive out of all these mattresses, so if low price is your highest priority, that's definitely the one you'll want to look at. But I do think it's worth spending maybe $100 extra to go for the Purple Original, as the Purple NewDay is pretty thin. Well folks, that is it for today's Purple mattress comparison. I hope you found this video helpful and that one of these mattresses might be a good option for you. If you want to learn more about any of the beds I covered in this video or see some more options, you can click the link in the description, or you can head over to sleepopolis.com for more mattress reviews, sleep product reviews, sleep health information, and exclusive coupons. And if you want to stay in the know on all things sleep, you can subscribe to our Sleepopolis newsletter by clicking the link in the description below. But don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube too. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!